Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I created a video about Primex Finance, and now it's time to fix it. I have prepared for you an extremely important topic that interests most participants in any project, tokenomics. Let me remind that Primex is a cross-chain protocol for margin trading on DEX. It has many advantages which I have discussed in previous video. Therefore, let's not dwell on his and immediately move on the main topics. Tokenomics. The first thing I noticed that was the good distribution of tokens. 35% allocated to the community, 33% allocated to strategic investors, 10% allocated to inflation, 21% allocated to the team and advisors, and 11 allocated to the treasure. The biggest item that interests everyone is the community. So let's analyze it in more detail. To make it easier for us to perceive the information, let's assume that 35% of the tokens of the community is 100%, and we'll look only at this point. So the early user takes 30% of the 100 allocated to the community. They include early users of the ecosystem, early users who have been actively participating in Primex ecosystem since the launch of the alpha and beta testnet networks, early lenders who participate in liquidity mining for the first Primex buckets, and early traders who trade a special margin on Primex. Next, public sale 18%, grants is allocated 9% will be allocated to finance community members and more, bug bounties or checks 3% of tokens in the community pool will be allocated to those looking for various bugs and errors. Market makers 20% of the tokens in the community pool will be used by market makers. And the last one, private sales, 20% of tokens are allocated for private investment rounds. Primex token. The token will be serve as a governance token when you can vote. It will also be used to real consensus. As a conclusion, the Primex token is well distributed and most users are satisfied with the tokenization. We are waiting for other data such as the total supply, token unlocks, price, and other indicators. Don't forget to subscribe all Primex social network. See you soon. Bye.